Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best sunny and fun water slide available, the Mega Climb & Go Inflatable Waterslide Park. This heavy-duty outdoor playset offers an incredible way to bring the fun right to your backyard, combining a climbing wall, 2 slides, and a splashdown pool all in one exciting package. Right off the bat, the setup is impressively quick and effortless. The included electric blower inflates the entire structure in just a few minutes, making it easy to get the party started without any hassle. It also comes with a handy carrying case, so storing and transporting it is much simpler than you might expect for a large inflatable of this size. Speaking of size, the Mega Climb & Go measures roughly 16 by 13 feet and stands nearly 9 feet tall, providing ample space for multiple kids to enjoy at the same time. The climbing wall adds an extra layer of fun and physical activity, encouraging children to climb up before speeding down the 2 water slides into the splash pool below. This variety of features keeps the play experience dynamic and engaging. Durability is a key strength of this water slide park. Crafted from premium heavy-duty nylon with reinforced stitching, it's designed to withstand the energetic play of up to 4 children at once, with a maximum weight capacity of 450 pounds. This means it's built not only for fun but also for lasting performance through many seasons of use. Safety is also well considered. The deep splash pool at the base ensures a soft landing, while the climbing wall and slides have been designed to provide stable support and smooth surfaces to prevent any injuries. The structure's sturdy materials and thoughtful design combine to create a safe environment where kids can enjoy endless outdoor fun. The water features themselves add to the excitement. The slides are slick enough to give a thrilling ride when water is added, and the splash pool offers a refreshing way to cool off on hot summer days. This makes it an ideal addition for birthday parties, family gatherings, or simply everyday playtime in your backyard. Maintenance and storage are straightforward, too. After play, simply dry the inflatable thoroughly and pack it away into the carrying case. The included patch kit also means small repairs can be handled at home, extending the life of your waterslide park. Overall, the sunny and fun Mega Climb & Go Inflatable Waterslide Park is an excellent investment for anyone looking to create memorable, fun-filled summer experiences. It combines quality, safety, and a variety of play features to keep children entertained for hours, all while being easy to set up and store. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a reliable and fun inflatable waterslide, this one should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.